Ka Office of Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District, Rengkat ka Jingatrelang ka Institute of Hotel Management IHM Shillong, mentakas ngi la penlong deka career counselling na kabentaban betenlenti iki Samla puli ka thany Ribhoi, pa kimde ban phai khmat tang shiki kam doctor lani engineer, Henry ban phai khmat ru shaka kam ban pentebet bat puli hakalan hotel management. Kumbalong menta la shemba ki duna ba ki Samla ki ba puli bat phai khmat shaki phang bat kilan ba pher jang ka hotel management. Hakate ka sila panisngan da ka jingadon lang uba MB Tongper ADC Ribhoi District ki Samla puli jang ka school Alpha English High Secondary School bat uba A1 Swet no hikai ka school Alpha. Uba shepang pasa bat ka Kongjolin Silang State kinong hikai jaka IHM ki bala ajing hikai bat pensngo tho iki Samla puli ha ki phang ba pher jang ka hotel management.
We're all from IHM. Passed out from IHM Hyderabad, man from IHM Guwahati. So all of us also did the same course, what you are about to do. During our time, going for hotel management is something which people never heard of. What is this hotel management? People will say, you're going for hotel management to become Nongpoh. You'll go there to become waiters. Okay, let us see. Because all of us, we were thinking, should we go for engineering? Should we go for comparative studies? Should we go for medical? Should we go for... Everybody has done that. So let us do something different. So we decided, again, you're very fortunate now that we had a career counselling. During our time, we just played with our life. We said, let us just try. It might just click. So somehow we went and joined hotel management. I will tell you how to go about it. Then, as the years by, we have worked in hotels in India and abroad, and then came back to Shillong, and then been teaching there more than a decade. Why am I mentioning this? It is because we are the very fortunate ones to get a job in a central government institute, being the local. We have very few locals there. All our faculty, all our professors are from outside the state. So now we're saying to all my friends who did medical, who did doctor, who did PhD, we're saying, what are you doing? I'm working in a central government institute. What are they still waiting? Okay? Nowadays, that even the people who have finished their master's, PhD, they are sitting at home or working in just to keep ends meet in smaller institutes or smaller schools. Some of them also, we know personally, people who have got their PhD are working as a lower divisional clerk in an office. PhD holder, what to do? Job opportunities. Does it present themselves? When there is an opportunity, say 5 posts, 10,000 applicants will be there. Isn't it? Out of that also you know how the recruitment procedures, you have to write exam, learn recruitment procedures, takes a long time for you to be selected, let alone get the job. So when you talk about hospitality, right, this is something not new to any one of us here, being locals. For example, I come to your place. Madam, what is your name? Yes. Josephine, okay. So Josephine, after this program, me and ma'am, we decided, okay, let's go to Josephine's house. Okay, you've already reached home, he said. You will see that our degree is being given by JNU. You know JNU? JNU, the university which is there in Delhi. Okay? So, this is the golden chance for you to get the degree before our degree has been awarded by IGNU. We have heard of IGNU, right? So now they have signed an MOU with JNU where you'll be getting your degrees from there. Also, we have one of the largest number of best hotel management institutes in the country. Okay, we are ranked 14th by the CEO globally, all over the world. Our IHM is ranked 14th, imagine, globally, all over the world. Then you also have career opportunities in IHM. One of them being that we have come back as a teaching faculty in IHM, just one of them. I will show you in the slides, you will see what are different career opportunities and also the pamphlets which we have given you. Okay? There as well, it has been mentioned, all the different aspects which are there in hotel management and how to go about it and what are different career prospects for you there. So IHM Shillong is a premier institute which has been startup in 2002. Till 2013, we were there near Bishop Cotton Road. And 2013, we have shifted to our own campus in Khasinews, Gambia. Okay, our campus is 21 acres. Okay, we have a faculty accommodation, hostel facility there as well for students from who are not from town. And we also have students who are from Shillong who are staying with us as well because it's easier to commute, and we'll be giving you lots and lots of assignments. Okay, so you'll have to work all day. If you travel only, you will lose time, and more or less it is a group team research or team assignments which you'll be doing, so you'll be needing to stay together with them. So different courses which we offered. The first, you will see that the 3 years BSc in hospitality and hotel administration. Please don't be scared with the nomenclature of BSc. Okay? These courses are open for all the students from any stream. Doesn't mean that just because the nomenclature shows BSc, only science students can join. Okay? So arts students can join, your commerce students can join. I was a commerce student, I did it. Ma'am was an art student, she joined hotel management. Okay? So